Can't delete a file or folder? Here's a quick fix to solve the problem. Open File Explorer and locate the undeletable folder. Minimize File Explorer for now. Search for CMD in the search bar. Right-click and select Run as Administrator, then click Yes. Go back to File Explorer, right-click on the folder, and choose Copy as Path. In Command Prompt, type del per F followed by a space, then paste the folder path. Press Enter, then type Y and hit Enter again. Close Command Prompt, and your folder should be gone. Alright folks, let's tackle the next step to fix the issue. Ready? Here we go. Open a browser and search for Unlock Hunter. Click on the first link and select Download Now. If the download doesn't start automatically, click here. Save the file and wait for the download to complete. Open the download folder double-click the setup file, and click Yes. Follow the steps. Click Next, and then Finish to install. Now, right-click the undeletable folder, select Show More Options, and click What's locking this folder. When prompted, click Yes, then choose Delete it. And that's it! Your folder is now successfully deleted. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching!